Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And it's nighttime. We are having a snowstorm. My shrubs are all covered in snow. The Christmas decorations are still up. It started falling at about 5 p.m. and it's going to fall all night. So tomorrow we have a lot of work ahead of us with the snowblower and all that. But look at how beautiful it looks. And it is so quiet out here. You can't hear a thing. Alrighty. Thank you for watching. I gotta get in. It's cold and I don't have my coat on. Thanks for watching.